Right methods lead you somewhere. Wrong methods lead you nowhere. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. I welcome you all for this day 6 of our 100 days spoken English challenge from my bottom of my heart. I'm super excited to share the news with you. In my previous video, I shared a news, right? So in upcoming video, I'm gonna reveal the date for our first live session. But I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag. What does mean by let the cat out of the bag? It is a beautiful idiom which refers to disclose the secret, right? So I'm going to disclose the secret at end of the video. You have to watch this video till the end, then only you will know about when we are going to conduct our first live session, especially it is for your doubt clarification session. So in this video we are gonna discuss about the super excited topic, which is all about nowadays I have been insisting you start speaking, practice your speaking skill, right? But most of the people literally confuse what to do, how can I practice, on which topic I have to speak up. Literally most of the people have lot of doubts regarding this topic. So that's why I pick up this topic for today. So in this video I'm gonna clarify all your doubts and I'm gonna suggest you a super excited technique for you that you can use, you can incorporate in your English journey, especially for your practicing purpose in order to improve your English fluency. Definitely I can assure you that it is going to enhance your English fluency once you follow these techniques in your practicing journey as well. So before moving to that, I would like to share something with you, which is all about the quote which I have said in the beginning of this video. Right methods lead you somewhere. Wrong methods lead you nowhere. What does it mean? It is all about the right methodology. Most of the people asking me, ma'am, how can I improve my English fluency? Even though I have been practicing English, I have been listening, I have been speaking, but I could not improve my English fluency. I could not see any improvement on the way I speak. Like that, they are started to asking me several questions. To be honest, if I want to answer this question to you, first it might be depends upon the method you follow. Most of the people follow listening, speaking something, right, in order to elevate their English fluency. Sometimes it doesn't work for them. Why? Because it depends upon the person how much they indulge themselves while they are listening. There are people who binge watch movies or some series, some podcast for a long time, but when it comes to the part of speaking, they only spend some amount of time. Many people asking me suggestion, ma'am, could you please suggest me a book which is especially helps for me to enhance my English fluency? Hey guys, see here, I really want to share this with you. Personally, I don't suggest any English books in order to improve your English fluency, but I can suggest a lot of books to develop your personality, mindset, your power, motivation part, self-confident part, etc. You can see I have read a lot of books, not in order to improve my fluency, in order to gain my knowledge, in order to gain the knowledge. Especially I'm a person who loves the topic called law of attraction, gratitude, power of positivity, the power of conscious mind. These kind of stuffs I really love to read. So that's why I have read books. I bought a lot of books and I started reading still now as it is. You can see still now also I've been reading that. Do you believe reading books can improve your English fluency? I can say that reading books improve your English knowledge, but when it comes to the part of fluency, I do not have any idea for that. It may be work for you, it may not be work for you. But people are generally believing this one quote. If someone tells you you can read books, it will help you for your English fluency, they are literally blindly, especially they are blindly believing that. I don't know why are you doing such kind of things. It's going to waste of your time if you start reading books, even though that is not your cup of tea. Someone suggested you, if you read books, you become fluent in English. So that's why you purchase some books and you bought some books and you start reading it. But after a week, you're definitely going to feel bored. maybe you are definitely going to take a decision to skip that. So why? Because that is not your cup of tea, right? So don't follow anyone's suggestion blindly. Follow your heart. So if you want to find out the right methodology, first you have to apply all those things in your English journey. You are the judge. You have to decide it. You have to differentiate it. Whether it is right, whether it is not right. So whether it is working for you or not working for you, you are the judge. You have to give the judgmental decision for that. Because you know your worth, you know your capacity and capability, and you know your interest part as well. Everyone is different from each other. Reading worked for me, but when it comes to your part, it may not work for you. Sometimes when it comes to me, writing is not work for me because I think writing is not my cup of tea. It is a Herculean task. But when it comes to your part, it's not like that. You love writing. You maybe love writing. You like writing journals every day or gratitude journals, something you've been following journaling in your life as well. Who knows it? Everyone is different from each other. If you want to find the right methodology to speak English, to enhance your English fluency, you have to apply such kind of rules in your life, such kind of methods in your life, and you have to differentiate it. After a month or after a week, you can know it. Okay, you have the capacity to differentiate it, whether it is working or not, whether it is creating the interest within yourself or it is wasting your time. You will know that. So that's the thing I really want to share with you. Now let's come to the point. Most of the people are asking me what to do and on which topic I have to speak up, I have to practice like that. Now I'm going to give a suggestion for you, which is all about top 3 favorites. The topic is all about top 3 favorites. So if you are the person who have been following this method alone, you can follow this method lonely. You don't require any person to make a conversation as well. What is that? Top 3 favorites, which is nothing but, it is really simple and funny, guys. Let me explain it. It is all about top 3 favorites. It might be your friends, it might be your best friends, food, clothes, books and movies, heroes, heroines, place, tourist, place, anything, etc. Anything. For example, now I'll give some example for you. Now I'm going to describe about the top 3 favorite books of me. The first one I can share about Secret. This is a wonderful book which I've ever read in my life. This is something which creates some magnificent difference. I came to know about the power of my subconscious mind, the power of thought process, so many things, especially the law of attraction. And the second book is Gratitude. Oh my God, such a wonderful book. I can suggest this book for everyone who wants to be happy forever life. So I can suggest this book as a shortcut for your life as well. Once you learn about the gratitude, it is going to change your life. Your life is going to become magical for you. So that's why the name of the book is called Magic. But the concept is all about gratitude. The magical word is thank you. 28 days of challenges inside this book, especially for your gratitude plan. And number 3, which is all about the beauty of purpose in life, which was written by Shala Pervin. This book was the first book which I read in my life, which I've started my reading journey as well, I can say like this. So it was a wonderful book. The author shared her autobiography, especially since from a childhood to till now, what were the challenges she faced. But right now, she was a successful author, mentor, trainer, especially powerful mind trainer, and she is working as a versatile manner. She is doing multitasking as well. That's how she improved a lot. So I came to know about all these qualities, all these achievements once I read that book only. So these are the 3 books, top 3 favorite books of me. So this is the kind of topic. Actually, this is an example, just I narrated for you. So like this, you can take anything, top 3 movies, top 3 heroes, or you can also take like this. First one food, second one best friend, third one your favorite place. So So you can differentiate it, choose any topic. This is one thing, you can practice it. Now let's come to the part of group discussion. If you are the person who are willing to participate in group discussion, group calls, I've noticed that a lot of people are making audio call in like a group session. You've been practicing your English speaking practice, right? Literally it is such a good task, you are doing it, keep doing it. Now I am going to add a feather on your cap, which means I am going to give some tips for you on this topic. Also on this method you can also try it. This is a beautiful technique, it will enhance your group discussion part as well, which is all about icebreaker ball. It is a kind of game, such a funny and wonderful effective game, especially for a group discussion. What is this all about? For example, there are 5 members in the group. The person A is going to ask questions to person B. The person B wants to answer the question. The person B have to pass the question to person C. Again the person C answer the question. After that the person C have to pass the question to person D, which means various question, not same question. So you can play this as a game, right? Asking and passing the question, it comes like a circle. So you can take it for almost 10 minutes or 15 minutes, almost 30 minutes also it will be working, depends upon the way you carrying that. So give it a try, it might be useful for you. You are eagerly waiting to know about the secret, right? Yes. Now I am going to disclose a secret for you, which means I am going to spill the beans. Okay guys, the first live session going to conduct on Sunday 8 p.m. Coming Sunday 8 p.m. So are you ready? Yeah, we'll meet on Sunday, especially on 8 p.m. through Google Meet. I'll send the Google Meet link in our WhatsApp group, especially 100 Day Spoken English Challenge WhatsApp group, so you can join it. So it will be helpful for you. I will update you. I'm eagerly waiting to have a conversation with you. So prepare your doubts and ask your doubt. I will definitely clarify all your doubts regarding our 100 Day Spoken English challenges. That's it all about this video guys. I'll catch you later. Till then you take care. Thank you so much for your wonderful time. Bye bye.